Good morning, guys. This is math lesson 12-6. In today's lesson, we're going to be adding and subtracting money. Okay, let's take a look at our vocabulary words. We have sum. Remember, the sum is when you put parts together. You're adding to find the total or the sum. The difference is when you're subtracting. You're finding the difference between a larger number and a smaller number. And we're going to be using dimes and pennies today. So tens and ones. Just addition and subtraction of tens and ones is what you guys need to think about. Our dimes are tens, our pennies are ones. So Zoe had 56 cents. Aaron has 38 cents. How much money do the girls have in all? So first they want us to find the sum. And then what is the difference of the amounts they have? And remember, when we're finding the difference, we're subtracting. So first, find the sums of the amounts. Remember, we add when we do that. 6 plus 8 is 14. Put my 4 ones or my 4 pennies there. Regroup 10 of those, and then add my tens. 1 plus 5 is 6, 7, 8, 9. So they have 94 cents in all. Don't forget the cent sign, guys. I'm looking at some of your work that you're turning in and you're forgetting that cent sign. It's really important when we're doing money. Okay, then they want us to find the difference because it's asking us to do two things. So when we're finding the difference, we are going to subtract. We're going to start with the larger number, subtract the smaller number from it to find the difference. So Zoe has 56 cents, Aaron has 38, 56 cents is larger, so we put 56 cents on top, subtract 38 cents. 6 minus 8 you can't do. You go next door, get a 10, so I have 4 tens left. Move that 10 there, plus the 6 I already had. 16 minus 8 is 8. 4 minus 3 is 1. The difference is 18 cents. Don't forget that cent sign. Okay, so let's do a couple of these. We're going to look carefully at our whether we have a plus sign or a minus sign, see if we're adding or subtracting, okay? And in this one, I'm adding, so I'm going to put the numbers together. 9 plus 7 more is 16. I put my 6 down, regroup 10 of those ones into a 10. 1 plus 2 is 3, okay? Over here, we're going to subtract. So we've got to pay careful attention to those signs. 0 minus 7, I cannot do that. I can't take anything away from 0 because that means none. I go next door and get a 10 and regroup it into 10 ones plus the 0 ones I already had. 10 minus 7 is 3. 3 minus 2 is 1. I have 13 cents. So you guys are going to do the same thing on the back, paying close attention to the addition and subtraction signs. Pay attention to the addition and subtraction signs. Remember, when they're written horizontally, we want to rewrite the problems vertically and making sure we have cent signs to help us subtract. Here, you're finding the total cost to buy each item. Remember, when we're finding the total, that's in all. We're adding crayons and pencils or crayons plus pencils. Find the total. Scissors and glue or scissors plus glue. Okay? Show your work. Do your problem here and look. Take a look, guys. You're first going to, this is a two-step problem. Okay? It's a two-step problem. You need to figure out what he bought, how much he spent, what he pays, and then his change. All right? Same thing over here. Adding and subtracting. Adding and subtracting. Do not forget to rewrite those problems. If they're horizontal, we want to rewrite them vertically. Same thing. Finding the total cost. Okay? How much more is a robot than a spaceship? We're not looking for the total here. We're trying to find the difference here and here. Okay? All right, you're going to use these toys up here to answer this one. You're going to figure out what he bought and then answer your problem right about it. Okay, if you have any questions, have your parents text me, email me or call the school. All right, guys, see you tomorrow.